In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Jotform via email. Whether you're sharing a survey, a registration form, or any other kind of form, Jotform makes it simple and quick. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily share your forms with others. First, you'll want to log into your Jotform account. If you're not already familiar with Jotform, it's a powerful online tool that allows you to create and customize various forms with ease. So if you're handling anything from feedback forms to event registrations, you're in the right place. Now head over to the My Forms section. This area lists all the forms you've created. Locate the form you want to send, and if necessary, click on Edit Form to double check any last-minute changes or adjustments. While this step is optional, it's always a good idea to ensure that everything looks perfect before sharing it. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, focus your attention on the top menu bar and click on the Publish button. This is where you'll find various options to share your form. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Email. Under Email, there's a convenient option labeled Share on Email. This is precisely what we need. Click on it, and you'll find a straightforward form for emailing your Jotform link. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and of course, a message. This is your chance to add a personal touch or provide some context for why you're sending this form. Remember, clarity is key. Make sure your message is informative and succinct. Finally, once you've filled in the necessary information, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos or errors. When you're ready, hit the Send button and off it goes. Your recipients will receive an email containing a clickable link to your form, making it easy for them to participate. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully shared your Jotform via email. This method is particularly helpful for reaching individuals directly, ensuring that the form lands right in their inbox with no extra hassle. It's an efficient way to engage with your audience, whether they're customers, colleagues, or participants. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy form sharing.